back with another unboxing. This time around we have, as you can see, Kith. And this is my first Kith order in a long time. I've actually never ordered from the Monday program. I don't think so anyway. The last Kith order I had was like some Coca-Cola stuff, which I resold one of the teas and I think the other one I might have given away. Either that or it's chilling somewhere back there. But regardless, don't order from Kith a lot, but when I saw this collab, I had to get it. And well, I guess the title already says what it is. This is the Curb Your Enthusiasm collaboration, which I'm a big fan of. Curb Your Enthusiasm is an HBO series if you guys are not aware. Anyway, the packaging is really cool. This released maybe like a month ago at this point, and it was interesting because the shipping on it was terrible. It didn't ship until probably like 3 weeks after I ordered it, which Kith is a very well-established company, well-established brand, you know. They're pretty like high class. You see the packaging, the prices are high, the quality on the garments are really high though too. So, you know, I don't think it's too crazy, but for this to have taken 3 weeks was pretty unexpected. They did send out an email saying sorry after maybe like the first week. They had some technical difficulties with this collaboration, so that's why stuff took so long. But that being said, here's the bag. These zeros are for on the Kith website when they do the Monday program. Maybe when they do other releases too, it'll count down, and then obviously the zeros like how it's released. Other side, you probably saw Kith Monday program. So out of the way, what did I get? You'll probably see it in the thumbnail at some point, but we got this beauty right here. This is the Kith Larry David box logo. I'm not sure what they called it, what the name of it was. This is just the crew neck coming in a beautiful forest green. And the reason I'm not like kiting this out of the box is because I had to open it earlier. I was too excited, or I should say my girlfriend was too excited to check it out, so she made me open it. I do have something else to open as well, so stick around for that. But as far as this goes, like I said, we have that box logo, which hopefully it's focusing right now. If it didn't, maybe I'll hold it up here for a little bit. But you just have Larry David kind of like thinking. This is a picture from one of the older seasons because you can just tell like how it is. I think it was actually used for some of the promotional stuff. I feel like I've seen this picture around for sure. And then I'm a little disappointed it's not embroidered, but then again, it might not have looked as great embroidered, but for the price, it was like $150 for a crew neck. But holding this in my hands, you can tell. Very nice quality. But anyway, underneath that, you also have the Curb Your Enthusiasm in the tonal green colorway. You got these cool tags right here. Very high quality tags. They have like some 3D printing going on there. The size made in China. And then, I don't know if these are like French terry blanks. I believe they are. Down on the bottom, we got this big ass tag with this like rubber block right here. Probably about care instructions. Just tear that off. It says Kith is built on foundation of friends and family, kith and kin. Those who resonate with our belief in solidarity belong to the tight-knit culture Kith embodies. By purchasing this item, you are part of the family, and our family is who we represent. So you have that and the nice little Curb Your Enthusiasm Kith tag. So very cool. Let me try this on and I'll get back to you and we can open up our next item. All right, so let me move this out of the way so you guys can see. Hopefully this is, you know, a decent shot, but we have, you know, the FACADE shorts first off, linked in the description down below. These are still on sale. We got some, and that's my brand if you guys are wondering. And then as far as the fit goes, this is like a true to size as far as vintage sizes go. I got this thing sticking down my arm, it's a little uncomfortable, but we'll bear through it. And yeah, like I said, the quality feels great. The size is like a vintage XL. I wouldn't compare it to like a nowadays XL. So that being said, it's running small. I feel like a lot of the old pieces, a lot of the old clothes, if you get stuff from like early 2090s, we were seeing sizes that were a lot smaller. So like XL would be a lot smaller than today's XL, for example. So maybe that's not entirely true, but I feel like it was true across the board the majority of the time. So I think it's dope. I love the color. I love this green, this dark green, and I'm happy with the purchase, even though it took a long time and costs an arm and a leg to get. So what do we have next? They're also selling posters, which I have a frame and I think it's the right size. So if it is, after I finish the video, or maybe before I'm done, I'll toss in some like B-roll of what it looks like actually framed, so you guys can get a good idea of it. So these posters, unlike the collaboration pieces, were a lot more reasonable. These were only $20, which I don't think is too bad for what it is. It's kind of a pain to get out. I was seeing some people got these and they're like super banged up because like popping back or bouncing back and forth, the edges of the poster will get bent. I'm having trouble getting it out because the bottom of the cardboard is like bent a little bit, but there we go. So as far as mine goes though, you know, it probably won't focus that well, but the edges aren't too bad. There's only one part, I think maybe on this side where it's a little bent. No, this side got the worst for sure. So that being said, let me see. Yeah, so here we go. Probably be hard to show because it's not framed, but you have this big Larry David portrait, and on the bottom, let me try to roll this up so you guys can see the bottom quick. You have the same like double hit for the branding, Curb Your Enthusiasm, and Kith. So that's the poster. Let me try to get it framed. I believe it's the same size as that frame I have over there. So I'll toss that up right here. So that concludes the video. That's all I have. That's all I got. There's another long sleeve that I really liked from the collaboration. It was like this white one with Larry David on a computer chair. I thought for the most part the collaboration was cool. Obviously I got a couple pieces from it. I got a couple things, but I think they did miss out on some really cool opportunities that they could have done. It'd be cool to see another Kith collab with Curb Your Enthusiasm in the future, but that's probably unlikely. But with that being said, as always, thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.